Hello. Today we're going to discuss our second grade skills. We are getting ready to get our children ready to enter into second grade at the start of the school year, and we need to know what do they need in order to have a great school year. You'll find at the beginning of each school year, no matter what grade, a lot of it is going to be review. So when you hear this, don't think, oh, they did that last year, and they may have. But we still need to make sure that we're continuing to review with them and make sure that they're on top of it. And because, of course, as the year progresses, it will get harder. So they have to have the foundation first. So for second grade in reading, they're going to be doing blending. Blending is when you take some letters to blend together to make a whole word. Let's say the word is cat. Then the student should know how to say cat in order to make the word cat. If your child is an avid reader, if they're just really good readers, then of course you wouldn't waste time sounding out words unless they're struggling with the word. Then you would teach them how to blend to make those sounds, because honestly they teach blending a whole lot now in kindergarten and first grade, so they get it a lot. So I'm sure by second grade your child already knows how to sound out words to put it together to make a word. But if they don't stress, it's okay, they'll get it. Just continue to help them at home with sounding out those words. And like I said, if they are a good reader, then you are going to work on comprehension. And comprehension is how they're able to interpret a story. Do they understand what this story is saying? Also, they're working on fluency. Fluency is the number of words they're able to read a minute. So those are the, in order to really comprehend the story, you have to be a fluent reader. So you really want to work on speed with your child so that they're not struggling and chopping up those words. They're reading fluently. Okay, for math, they're working on solving problems to the sum of 10. So that means that the teacher may give a word problem and the answer is going to be anything from 1 to 10. And they're also doing skip counting by 2s, 5, and 10. And that's just counting by 2s, counting by 5s, counting by 10s. That's, like I said, will be a review, but just make sure that your child knows how to do it as it could be a car game, or, you skip count to the car or something like that to kind of, refresh their memory on it. Also, write number sentence for word problems. And number sentence is a sentence written with numbers. It's your regular number sentence. 2 plus 5 equals 8. I'm sorry, 2 plus 5 equals 7. That's a number sentence, writing out that number. Okay? And using strategies to solve a problem. And strategies are drawing circles. If it is 2 plus 5, drawing 2 circles, then drawing 5 circles and counting the circles to get 7. So tick marks, the little marks, that's another strategy. Using a hundreds chart, and I'm sure you've seen a hundreds chart. It's a chart from 0 to 100, and you teach your child if it's 2 plus 5 equals, if it's 2 plus 5, then you may have them to point to the 2 and count 5 over, and they should land on the number 7. So those are just different strategies that you can use to teach your child how to add. Okay? So those are the skills your child will need entering into second grade. So I'm not going to take up any more of your time because I know you're anxious to get started helping them learn their second grade skills. So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.